You know, in the halls and the penitentiaries and prisons around America, you visit on Saturday and Sunday, okay? And unless you're on PC or you're in the max, you might visit Tuesday or Thursday every other week. But during the holidays, if the holiday doesn't fall on a weekend, and Thanksgiving's definitely out, you'll never get to celebrate that with your family. You'll celebrate it before or after. And you'll be waving at them as they go out the gate, full of nachos and ice cream. And that'll be your fucking holiday from the prison. Because you were about that life, right? You're about that life where like you were going to punish somebody for telling on you, and you went down there and beat them to death, or thought you might make 10 grand real quick, got you some dope, and the person that sold it to you told on you because they were working for the police. You was about that life, right? That life where you kill snitches. Well, you get on down there and you'll figure it out real quick. There ain't nobody down there that's about that life. They're all trying to get the fuck out. That's the reality. And if you're going to be about that life and get up here and act like you somebody, I want you to know the truth. That you're going to miss a lot of holidays. And you're going to have that phone call where you call your old lady and she's going to tell you, I done moved on. Jody done came to town. And then they won't show up no more. They won't bring the kids. That'll be your life that you're choosing. It's all talk until it gets real. I promise you. It's a lot easier to win a life, to build something worth merit and value, to change your ways, to get off the fucking dope. Fucking be kind and be real. Be real enough to fucking win in this world, okay? Be a champion and be there for your country, your family. Lord, we love you. Lord, we just want you to call our name. That'll be enough. Lord, we want you to win. Lord, we thank you. From Arkansas with love, be about the good life. Fluent English.
Y'all do.